In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your TikTok account on any device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the TikTok app on your device, and you need to go to your profile by selecting the profile icon down in the bottom right corner. From here, tap the three lines up in the top right, and essentially what you need to do is go into your settings and privacy. So open that up and scroll down a little bit on here because you're looking for your account settings. So open that up next, and essentially what you're looking for is deactivate or delete account down at the very bottom. Select that and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, where you need to hit deactivate account, and of course then you just have to hit deactivate again and confirm one more time. Just follow the prompts on screen. But your account's not going to be deactivated, which means it's going to be hidden, and you can actually reactivate in time just by logging back in. That really is the entire process. If you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.